Hi guys, welcome to Molo's vlog. I am Luis and today I'm joining the magnificent Discovery Princess. I'll be here for 2 weeks, so join me as I share my experience on board this amazing ship. So check this out. Welcome fellow travelers and cruise ship fans. We are about to go on an amazing trip on board the Discovery Princess, which is the newest and most luxurious ship in the Princess Cruise Line fleet. Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a tour of this amazing floating paradise, a ship that offers comfort, entertainment, and pure indulge like no other. Imagine a city at sea where 3,600 people can call it home and 1,300 hard-working crew members are ready to make all your wishes come true. The Discovery Princess is here to give you the best possible trip. We'll eat delicious food at Gigi's Pizzeria, find peace in the sanctuary, try our luck at the exciting casino, and work up our sweaty in the modern gym. There's so much to see on this ship. So, prepare for a fantastic trip as we sail on this realistic cruise ship tour. If you like to travel for a low cost, remember to click subscribe button. This is the Discovery Princess, the modern version of the low boat. It's open. And this is the room, guys, that I got here on Princess Discovery. Wow, look at this. I love the colors in this ship. Nice bathroom. Beautiful shower. You can see this ship is really nice. So I guess anybody's here. Of course. Let me open. Anybody's here. Working area here. There you go. TV. Nice mirror right there. And a nice bed. So here are the corridors in deck 10, but most of the decks they have pictures, and here in the bottom it says courtesy of the name of the person and a title for the picture. From the moment I saw the elevators, I'm like, oh, this ship is very fancy. And this is deck 5, next to the casino in deck number 6. Look how nice this room it is, guys. Lots of decoration, very nice light. Obviously a very nice lounge if you want to come during the day. It's very quiet, but obviously at night time it's quite busy. And this is the casino, guys. Look how beautiful this casino is. One of the most beautiful casinos I've ever seen on any ship. Look at the machine, brand new machines. Something that I really like in this roulette table is you see, it says place your bet, it's a screen underneath. That's really cool, I never seen that before. So yeah, it's very fancy, this casino, very fancy. So this is the gym, guys. This is one of the best gym I've ever seen. And yes, I work out at this gym. It's very spacious. This is just one of the small rooms. Here you have all the machines. Very spacious. Weights right here and the working out machines right there. Now this is deck 18, guys. We have the satellite receptors right there, the yogic track right here, and obviously we have the basketball court right there. So they have one hot tub right here, which is it's a little bit apart from the pool. But what I like is you have the glasses around, so it will protect you from the wind. Now this right here is the big screen that you see from every other ship. Princess Cruise Line was the first one to have the TV where everybody looks like a cinema. And then, if I'm not mistaken, Carnival was the second one, and then the rest of the company, the cruise company, they start copying that concept. On any cruise ship, when you go and you see a chair like this, It means it's available. You can take it and start taking the sun. So this is the pool for adults only. At the end we have the retreat bar, and if I'm not mistaken, if we go one deck up right there, we have all these very nice quiet beds that is called the sanctuary. So this is the sanctuary. So basically this is an exclusive area. You have to pay a little bit extra if you want to come here. Now they have two lounges, right? They have first the chairs and also have a type of cabanas. If you want to go to the church, they're going to charge you $40 per person. But if you take the cabana, they're going to charge you $220 per couple, okay? Now, you have spirits, you have food included, and they're going to bring you all the food. If you want something from the bar, they will go and bring it. Now, they don't have a pool, but they have a massive hot tub that I couldn't get access to. And yeah, but then you have this pool right here. Just walk in this and take the stairs, go here to the sanctuary. So this is deck 16, little deck. This is the swimming pool deck. So every day you see everybody here watching the movie right there. Swimming pools right here. The mixed cocktail bar is right there. But the best part, guys, is this one, the salty dog grill. Princess Cruise Line, they have such a great burger, and it's for free. You can come here, ask for your burger, ask for your hot dogs, fries. They have it right here, guys. It's totally free. You tell them how you want it, and it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. They cook everything in front of you. They're very fast, and they're really, really good. Right next to the restaurants, we have Swirls, which is an ice cream shop. So you can come here, ask for your cone, your ice cream, and you don't have to make a line. Just come here and get it. But after you get your ice cream, I want to dare you that if you are afraid of heights, do not try this. Check this out, guys. How cool was that? And this is the little deck, guys. Different food stations from all over the world. You can choose what to eat. And the restaurant, it looks very nice. I love the whites here. And in this one, they have even a coffee shop. It's amazing. You have the desserts right here, bread right here. The station for desserts is right here with the coffee shop. Is very different if you compare to all the Princess Cruise Line little decks. And our tour ends here. I hope you enjoyed the Discovery Princess as much as I did. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. This is it for today, and ciao for now.